Abusuapanin mo kwaba emfama ke black media. Abusua ene warning kese etimi akwa Maame Akosua Serwah. Na abusua warning from Abusuapanin na wo kyese. Ene ensem no mo po mo ntwene mehe. Asem na enko ba bia ni nyina kyese. Wasem dom kopie mu e wo court kyese mo nsem enye. Musa kopie mu e wa himfi a wasem mo nsem nye. Enti ensem a ye Maame Akosua Serwah ne nam social ene ni media ne mframam kyese obekọ appeal bio na ensem no wasatwe abusua de akwakohiem odobroni ene Abusuapanin ene obi nim ansem krom kwakodi ne ho eno na Abusuapanin kyese ensem wo ya akoso nyina kyerese enkosi aga na maame no ha no ho se wontu ne ho fo na se de timliga wife no e ma ne pressure no ye ne dia ene no kwasem no ka kyere no ni dwetire kakra na sensi kakra ka no ene eja betimi atuma na se be hye eno ne ensem Abusuapanin e de atudwa abusua allege man kam ho ne entie ensemu enjiremu emfamra se so comment share ma foforo enye bi ehwe
second wives association
na wo modia yes
no kwa na dia Africa kwa
me kuna mete ne ho ntia fa sa asem ne ma me so kra me second wife me ka second wife. What is your reasons for? But my reason is that yeah can factor. Let's debate on facts, not on sentiment.
Yes, separate facts.
Yeah, debating on facts. Me as far making, I'm not speaking for Dobroni, I'm not speaking for Maame no. What I'm saying is the facts on the matter no ye kan wasem. So me debate factor, me mfa sentiments in me kan ho. Maame no rate na wako file no. So me read the rate now. This is what the rate goes. Me nko say because of my sentiment of being a wife, you know, this is how I will talk about it. I can't do that. I cannot do that. Se maame no enfa ne say bia ya che japade e na ejapade ne ye che wie no say e dan we mini lumba ne siye ade nti na e di akwa say esimesi we. Yes, go to court and fight for that.
But
by all means go to court and fight for that. But minim se makai judge no journey case no.
What you've read written of that. Did Lumba die interstate and answer your will?
And in fact, judge no ruling no. Judge no ruling and then no. Judge no ruling and then no cry. Oh my goodness. Judge no cry make it that statement to say as of right now no komu nim say Lumba died interstate or not. And to know Maame Akosua Serwah should have contacted the lawyers of Lumba's estate to find out to say.
The person died for how long now? And if there's any will,
but has she found out from the lawyers to say Papa no oja will or not? Go online and read it. We're a public record, and yes. Go and read it. Judge,
I just think that
you're supposed to find out.
She wasn't directed well in Fitias.
I don't think so too. Because answer for Ellen. Now we are sure said only will.
Light and darkness no say by.
Oh, answer now be filing for Ellen. Now we are sure.
Yeah, I know what's up about the deal.
Oh, now of free meaning say only will or baby. I can file for LA because meaning say me kuni will. But in a case where what's baby money to baby, who nim so will say only will no find out from the lawyers say or who interstate ana. If he when Joe will like then you can file for the LA
for the will to be read.
The lawyers know
what is the instructions of when to read the will and so and way.
But we don't know about that, do we?
That's what I'm saying. It's not Judge can't say. I was still finding out answer. You cannot file for a letter of administration in a vacuum. Come on now, this is very simple. When you say
yes, the woman was creating enemies for herself.
This is a matter of facts.
Yes, the woman created enemies, and those enemies are supposed to be supporting her.
The fact is that has the woman reached out to Baba Jamal firm to find out Papa Jawo and I say when Jawo. Has she?
So from your research, what is the state of affairs?
She hasn't, and she hasn't, and the lawyers haven't come out to say yes, Oja will. But Judge Nasimo kind of said, in order for you to because caveats now,
nobody contested the will at the court. So
there is no will. There is not a contest of will or not. Or no one file say. So she is filing assuming say Papa Ninja will. Maame no filing no.
Which filing now is there a new thing?
Yes, she filed yesterday.
Yes,
Monday.
it's a new thing.
Or filing on Monday.
Or buy a social
or filing on Monday.
What comment? Now,
so why is the monetary spirit? Hey,
oh, that
you know
when it comes to a lot of people talk out of more personal experiences. Into when it comes to that particular issue, a lot of arguments is based on sentiments rather than
they are not
on
following
facts.
the case.
Because I do one who say who follow facts now, and you walk I don't think say Maame no call be because she said judge or throw or adjourn the case indefinitely or say because of filing although Bronimus lawyer and so file a caveat. So a caveat is like a stop or like a warning to stop something. And to Maame na file say letter of administration and although Bronimus lawyers and so I file a caveat. And other Browning lawyers also I file a caveat into judge and Saka caveat until in fact they went to court for it today. And the judge judge and if you read it, it's all online. Judge raise the assembly and other Browning judge raise the assembly and other Browning lawyers can say my file for caveat. And someone filing for caveats and a judge and say someone if there's a caveat there, then the case has to be adjourned indefinitely. It's as some judge look when do cry. Someone filing caveats, but a judge and said then they have to adjourn the case. So the case is adjourned indefinitely.
Were you there?
You don't
it's online. It's a
the ruling is outside.
Court proceedings are a public record.
I heard a little bit about that, but of course, I'm going to find out the details. So
you should find out before you come.
Find out the details. Maybe if you have the details now, arguments may be more based on facts.
You give a better and informed, make a better and informed argument.
Remember, actually, kind for yourself. Remember, being
what you are claiming to be.
Memma or being kind be kind. One can say kind for yourself. So you have the time.
I'll take it on the cheap, but then I would find out and then come back and refute what you are saying or agree with you.
Go and read it. It's up to you. Go read it for yourself.
1,000 times,
no one can say your own assessment.
I'll take it.
But the point is that my fighting arguments, my sentiments and finding. So what the sentiments? Yeah, and other things like judges need a crooked
out of my learning and my knowledge. I was not sentiment here.
You did not come to learn. You came to impose.
I'm making based on what I know and believe to be so.
And it shouldn't. What you believe is not the law.
Papa, and send me what higher tablet, and send me what higher camera.
And know what you are saying to be true.
One can PS so far phone so why? Men are mini beam because they're all idiot. We need to go school you. Lawyer Kusiho. Oh, Lawyer Kusiwana Wanka. Come in your sir.
Student of Lawyer Kusi, the Alboa Mayu.
No, say, I don't know who. Say, Sisia now court a case, or back at one also see your year, no. And ye be ha legally, Maame no own team. A bad boy, team legal wives, a bit mubetinia, a de mubetimia, yes, I am money, but when it goes into the courts now, legally, no, there are so many things she cannot do because the court does not recognize her as a sole wife.
That judgment is reversed. Anytime one will say, or pressing for a letter of administration.
Just yesterday.
She hasn't got any legal grounds to make that claim.
Just yesterday. So they filing or filing about appeal.
That is what you don't have any legal basis. Right now, every claim based on traditionally married couples there. Then you have no legal grounds to make any claim, and that's why
lawyer Kusidin and then they call filing early. And no, I would doing who I want to say, no, I didn't say as a bay kakra fra. any bread. Any bread.
Oh, say, this is my suspicion. My suspicion is this.
A legal wife.
My suspicion is this. Oh, say, we're filing for appeal, right? My suspicion is that
if your marriage certificate is being nullified now, what is the legal grounds for her to even make a claim of a
my suspicion is this, because it said we're filing for appeal, no, or filing for the letter of L.A., no, it is in the hopes to say and to be so that's my suspicion. But until say court, no, I can say Maame we sole wife, no, she has no right to anything. She has equal. In fact,
I'm very, very perplexed.
She has equal rights as Odobroni. In the eyes of the law, she has equal rights.
If there is no will here, only legal claim, and I agree with you perfectly on that point. I agree with you perfectly.
Okay. I don't know. It's not about Sibia. I may say what me obi can say team second wife was a one. Me obi here me obi second wife me obi side chick. But I say sometimes when you're looking at it now, we have to be very factual. Let's not be sentimental about it.
And Kasam le no mbeko about you about you
by now be sorry I be discuss it.
Yeah, some more.
Obeye bre.
Well, at least we have some your friend is saying.
I wish I could copy and paste. I haven't been copy paste anything here.
Brainstorming here. But anyway, I think we'll have to come back.
You will never come back.
So we are
never come back.
Legal wives. So we are here. Now bear ma wo na se bear ma no edo fa kwan bi so a enya. And for when you bring concourse side check no, because side check no only wuni mrasemu bia. But when you brace ye wukuno, now hold just wukuno by the waist, just.
Nefane famra
kwan so na ye wasa wodi ya be ma no fa ye no me na asemo mfa wase na obi a wodi wani bre akwa
this is where
be on what say the be a wokunu de na asemo call ne so. I hope this is where I fall out with a lot of the team.
What can you asem pa
oba no ti abonte let me catch you e ma be ti abonte pe obi de atene hot so enti se wokunu na asemo call ne so a obesum be ma na nkọ ho a enka wansom sabe what ni fie no bu ne ye no te ne ye ho anko baby mfie abonte man be fare nko. And nobody can take someone's husband if the man does not want to go. It is a what one say wokunu and you basa or fawechi or the massam how or you say sister just no na fa the family kwans. Look, even if you are worrying me register or court.
Yeah.
The wokunu if you are worry kekempa my mon register sa worry no. So one register see one thing you guys have to realize is so one register if you are worry a party keke na waye.
And that is why cohabiting does not give any legal backing.
That to show you guys polygamy.
Say polygamy yo say enyo. Polygamy no say enyo. There are people. No, you can't say that because. If you say way obiane a preference, there are people Ghana who also prefer polygamy. And you can't say that. Say Ghana be waro. Na so one for polygamy and two enim. Na so dia waye ba akope two enim. Nature odane ne ho so be polygamous. Fa ne famra kwan so.
Simple.
It is that simple.
Maame de ne family kwan so on file or file divorce that lumba manage.
And see the woman one follow through samra kwan so no one gide na nko beji papa ne nsem na sa time na kwan ne ho.
Yeah.
What stopped her from following through?
Because
get what you want again.
It's me bu aware.
Yes, and Papa, Lumba Kotsna Ghana, how many years I know Ban and Quati Germany Honomono. Se Papa now Kohonum and Mananantia and the 9 year theatre or German or Tibet no Bob Brafofa. The woman alone could have filed for divorce without Lumba's permission or whatever. She could have filed the divorce on the basis of desertion.
I was just looking at the comment section.
I don't like to.
Okay. Into no.
Papa no, so catch your bad. How would you know?
Now, who find out say Papa no worry now because you say Obi Kun.
Now, and yes, year power few or say minimum and tell when you find bed 2 years. You cannot about on the men nada. On the men casa about on the men you find. And men man trouble China and Trump make just to get another woman Ebini.
Just already made back of a dada. In Bama, the Adada say,
I say when I speak on facts and not sentiments. May I say
sentiment here? On the basis of fact.
Yes, my ankasa bio. My ankasa okay, me person me busa cream me clarify something. On say now walk so nti our real time our tears and uncle was so fight and all that. Yen nyina who say Daddy Lumba even when a man ni nya asem kra mema eni ni nya asem kra no obi be kasai nkanya se sa bra no sa papa no ye Kristoni enim so ye Kristoni pa enka ye kra no nka ahwa anka dwuma edi bedi no because ye nyina ye pe Daddy Lumba asem and obeka say wadupi no obi anka hwehwe what I say. Daddy Lumba ultimately no a type it was hard for those even Odobroni those 2 women it was hard. Ain't what dear Maame ne who why mistakes bebre. But me problem with money say Maame na mistakes bebre. And a Ghana for ma binuma go through that and I say omuhuno say you know like Maame abre because ye ka Daddy Lumba brand na on ne started creative. What I say I was some wanna say any I say mo chanyo. And I say, your person nenije kaka because Odobro need at least mpenyumfo nim no Ghana ho no an obi anim no time na papa ne yare nti already on kra obi your head down ware nso wa ekuna you know when you growing na maame no so your person yen
mo se ma yendidi atemmodia so mo se ma yendidi atemmodia how can we have any conversation? My point is this. I have a decent conversation. If your premise of your premise the cry is flawed, how can I have a decent conversation with you?
Obi Ghana traditionally untimi nware without two families traditionally untimi nware without two families.
Okay, no problem.
It's just that one person mbeka no because one is maame no krata enye valid. Enti na mo yesa. Mo obeka for that same.
Expert witness na lawyer kusiko fan e ba na obe cheche aware different when the man doesn't have a wife ain't only it's only because on ne woma bebre no nti no mpese
Polygamy no one power will be
Afida. Court no one say the man is so no one is no kind of one so the man is so
polygamous family polygamous
court na nka say maame ne man susa enti na omo consider no as oyire
mo da mo ka mo court asem a mo nka na maame no ba wa ba Ghana binum pese na nije no it shouldn't enya ade a wo say ham. What else?
Me personally, I don't know how much.
Yeah, because so much church saying now.
Me personally, Ghana
wife for airport.
Ghana, she's entitled to come to Ghana and do whatever it is she likes in Ghana. I don't have a problem with it. I respect both women because
I respect both women, but who been one now who the because I haven't even one time disrespected Maame Akosua Serwah. I have not because I'm saying I mean disrespecting Maame in any way because I will not do that. Se me pelumba se no me lawyer wa bon. Mo na mo call school na de na mo koye lawyers. I use my words. I will not disrespect Maame Akosua Serwah because lawyers are tell to am say lawyer ko si na wa born break
Judge you part of Serwah or Mundi judge at them. Judge
Obi fake yaba. And anka wo kan na ejanka media wife na ye support ye hu say eja ye maami oni certificate ni support
legal wife ka bebre kwa ni apai legal wife kwa ni ebi no monto kwa ye mo maami no monto kwa no wo mo ko e ma ni bi kwa ni kunu
maami ka ni kwa nche mo ho hwe ye nyina de no de ye dede wa ha no anya ya ase na de be kwa ka court no obi aka na adwumi sume nya de meme ka na court be ye adwuma nya de wonso be ka na court be ye adwuma nti ye dede kwa
ye ka fa
ye
discussions we na ye share adesuade e wo mu ma ye it is not just about making asema o kan ye say lumba asemi enye de wo be ka nye be fa ne court enye de me ka nye be fa ne court asem na aba no ede na me ne wo ye betimi esua fim ti se wo ye legal wife na wo de wo betimi esua fi sa asem wa ne se wo be didi odobroni atem na be decide to fight my ese wa na
maame na tem se wo no nam Ghana ye de
I have not spoken one time against this woman.
What's a polygamy? And one I walk at you, what two? What's you cook for free?
Why?
Say, who cook for free? I advise no the mouth.
That be only you cannot advise me. Advise me. Want me? Not to advise me.
Advise me. Be another man. So him say, polygamy. Who could look for free? Fanako court. Momon charge no. Fanako court. Momon charge no for pick up.
Sebema cheat ne yere anane girlfriend say ochitia. Or deal with ne year no anani girlfriend.
Very good.
Uncle fine ne bear uncle deal with bear man. But when it comes to us women now, say ye coon would the for crime be so name, you know, some would deal with other women. And yet you the other woman.
They are their own enemies.
A day you remember is Romana and I see to be woman here.
I don't know if he's or try so fighting the 2018.
As my
63 years and now. 30 years ago.
My yensia. Don't just try. Do empathy kakra.
So shina sum.
Ushina sum na ukute se washina sum na ukune jawa kwa Wakofano completely. Share. Let's empower ourselves. Emma, mumanye empower your home. I said we are yet. There man no kaya sports. Yeja na semat one ye kai mam you na sep. The man who brought this upon two women, ye jai them na semat. And ye come man.